AccuMed ANC-201 V2 Electric Baby Nasal Aspirator Nose by AccuMed is one of the best sellers among baby nasal aspirators products. Help your baby breathe. This battery-operated nasal aspirator helps suction out your baby's boogers to allow them to breathe easier within seconds. Remember to keep your baby's mouth open and head upright while cleaning. Gentle hygienic touch. Unlike bulb syringes or oral suction aspirators, the electric aspirator can be operated with one hand, can be easily cleaned, or reduces the chance of spreading germs with the disposable hygienic caps. The right fit for any baby. Clean any newborn's or toddler's nose with a soft, silicone tip that comes in 3 different sizes. There's no need to use any extra tools to suction out mucus, as this nostril cleaner has 3 levels of aspiration from low to high. Easy to maintain. This electric nasal aspirator is waterproof to make it easy to maintain. Sterilize the detachable parts with hot water. Clean the rest of your device with a soft cloth and you're ready to help your baby breathe easier again. Clean on the go. Whether you're taking the baby, toddler or child to daycare, school, or visit the grandparents, know that you can always clean on the go. This nasal aspirator comes with batteries so that you can vacuum out stubborn snot right out of the box. AccuMed Baby Nasal Aspirator, sanitarily and safely suction out snot. Package includes 1 by nasal aspirator ANC-201, 3 by silicone tips, 2 by AA batteries, 25 by disposable hygienic caps, 2 extra silicone joints. Instruction manual.